Okay, let's do a couple harder ones. So let's expand 2x minus 1 to the exponent 4. Therefore, the first term is 2x. The second term is negative 1. And this negative, just really focus on putting that there. And I always put in brackets just so that I don't make calculation errors. So I'm going to write 2x negative 1 and skip a space. 2x negative 1, skip a space. 2x negative 1, skip a space. 1, 2, 3. We know that the exponent is 4, so there's going to be 5 terms. 2x times negative 1, skip a space, and then 2x times negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to show you, without using Pascal's triangle, I'm going to use the choose function. So this would be, and we always use this exponent, this would be 4 choose 0. Okay, this would be 4 choose 1. This would be 4 choose 2. And we saw this notation, but we haven't really used this notation. We usually use the notation with a C. This one's just a little bit easier to put when you write formulas to squeeze it in. Okay, now all we have to do is pattern the exponents and then solve. So let's pattern 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, now let's choose red, orange. Okay, let's simplify. 4 choose 0 is just 1. And that goes away to 1. So now we have 2x to the 4. So what is 2 to the exponent 4? This is actually 16x to the 4 with no brackets on it. Okay, 4 choose 1 is 4. And then we have 2x to the 3 and negative 1 to the 1. So from this negative 1 here, we're going to have a negative. And what's 2 to the exponent 3? I have 8. So this is 8x cubed, but then 8 times 4 is 32. So 32x cubed. Okay, now 4 choose 2 is 6. Okay, 2 squared, this would be 4x squared. And this negative 1 squared would turn into the positive 1. So 6 times 4x squared times 1. And we know that 6 times 4 is 24, x squared. Okay, next, 4 choose 3 is 4. 2x to the 1 is just 2x, that's fine. And negative 1 to the 3 will stay as a negative. So plus 4 times 2x times negative 1. So negative 1 times 2 is negative 2 times 4 is negative 8x. 4 choose 4 is 1. This is all to the 0, which is just 1. And then we have negative 1 to the 4, and that turns into a positive. So we have 1 times 1 times 1, which is just plus 1. Okay, so they do get a little bit harder here. Now let's try B. Okay, so we have 3x minus 2y. Now I'm going to need more room. I'll do this in the next video.